pasalubong. Okay, clothes are dry. Waiting for the box. With my buddies here. Chica! Chica! I'm waiting for the box. I'm waiting for the box. Ginger. Come on, guys. We adopted two little kittens here. Okay, we're just waiting for the box. The Balikbayan box. So Balikbayan box, if you're familiar with it, they send it through cargo ships. So it takes longer than the normal air freight. Balikbayan boxes from the US, for example, they usually take 2 months. So my sister told me it was sent around May, first week of May. On the first week of July, so it took about May, June, July, about 2 months. About 2 months for the Balikbayan box to get here from the US. Balikbayan box became popular in the 1980s kasi during that time, in the 80s, maraming Filipinos ang nag-migrate or nag-move sa US, especially sa California, that part of the States. The first freight forwarder na nag-offer ng service ng Balikbayan box sa US, his name was Rico Nunga. He started a company called REN International in Los Angeles, California. That was in 1981. And then the following year it was followed by a Filipino living in New York City. His name is Ramon Punco. He lives in New York City, but he founded a company called Port Jersey Shipping International. Now, these two companies were considered pioneers in door-to-door delivery of Balikbayan boxes. So basically, sila ang nag-start ng Balikbayan service for Filipinos living abroad. Now, during that time, nagkaroon ng import duties, no? Siyempre, nagkaroon ng mga parang taxes or import duties charges upon arrival ng Balikbayan boxes sa Philippines. But in June 1987, then Philippine President Corazon Aquino enacted Executive Order Number 206. So, ano yung order na to? This order amended Section 105. Nag-add na siya ng subsection dito sa RA or Republic Act number 1937. It's also known as the Tariff and Customs Code of the Philippines. So, what did this do? The amended section of the code provides duty-free. So, naging duty-free na, naging duty-free and tax-free. Nagkaroon ng tax-free privilege sa Balikbayan boxes sent to the Philippines by OFW or Overseas Filipino Workers. This is as a recognition of the Philippines sa labor ng mga foreign workers natin, no? And it also brought additional foreign exchange annually. Kasi nagpapadala yung mga Filipinos abroad to the Philippines. And this contributed to the national recovery effort. Okay. So my mom's trying to open the Balikbayan box right now. Can she open it in time for Christmas? So the box arrived late last night actually, and we started opening it, and these are some of the stuff. More here. This is plastic dinnerware sets. for $2.99. Plastic plates. This is only $1.19 each. So what my sister did was, because she's also sent some stuff to my relatives. So each family here, bawat pamilya, have their own bags. Each family, and she put some labels in each one of them, where she's gonna give them. So each bag has their own sets of giveaways with names on them. Look what she got me. Perfume. Nice. The Balikbayan box allows cheaper shipment of long list of items compared to shipping them individually in small boxes and sending them to postal service, because that can be very expensive. There's a long list of items that you can send to Balikbayan box, like food, personal items, stuff you need in the house. But you need to check also with the shipping company things that you can and cannot send through Balikbayan box. That's very important. So the only trade-off is longer transit time, because these boxes are sent using container ships, and this may take between several weeks to 2 months. Like for example, the box that my sister sent took about 2 months. So make sure that if you're gonna send something, they will not expire within that time period or within 2 months. So Balikbayan box is truly a modern manifestation of a Philippine custom called pasalubong, wherein for generations, Filipinos traveling abroad have been bringing gifts to their families and friends when returning home from a trip. I hope you liked this video, and I hope you learned a few things about the Balikbayan box. So stay safe everyone, and I'll see you on the next one.